Greetings everyone! Here is how you can redirect the WooCommerce page. So to redirect the WooCommerce page, log into your WordPress dashboard. We are already logged in. And we have already installed the WooCommerce plugin. And if you go to Pages, WooCommerce by default creates many pages. And sometimes we want to customize our pages, and hide the default pages. Let's open this shop page. And if I open the shop page, the shop page looks like this. And may you not want to open this link for all, as you might have your design on other pages. Now to make this page inaccessible to others, simply go to Appearance, and Theme File Editor. Click on Functions.php. Scroll down. And we will add our code here. So here is the code we are going to use. So this is basically for the shop page. But you can change it to cart or any other pages. And this is the URL you can redirect to. I will redirect to our home page. Simply replace the URL here. This is done. Copy the code. And paste to function.php. Update file. So this is done. So /shop should redirect to our home page. If I refresh this works all fine as we are logged in. Let's try an incognito mode. And you can see we are redirected here. Let's try again. It's working. You can change the code to any other default pages if you want. Let's try with the cart page. So the slug is /cart. Let's change to /cart. And change the URL where you want to redirect. So it's done. For logged in users, it is fine. And for other users, so it is redirected to the home page. Hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.